Frustrated by the HyperTerminal module DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. To start the walkthrough for HyperTerminal module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the HyperTerminal module, a legacy component of the HyperTerminal utility used for managing serial port, COM, communications, and Telnet sessions. It provides the backend communication layer required for scripting serial interactions and terminal automation. Although removed from modern Windows builds, it is still required by legacy automation workflows and industrial control scripts. If unavailable, older terminal emulation environments may fail to run on modern systems due to missing communication backends. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like HyperTerminal module. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the HyperTerminal module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. It is important to avoid manual installation of HyperTerminal module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review repair-related information for HyperTerminal module by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If this fix repaired HyperTerminal module dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.